Are you ready for the coming month? A time when uncertainties seem to be around every corner. Being prepared isn't just a smart move. It's a necessity in today's unpredictable world. Today, we're delving into the world of preparedness, focusing specifically on grocery items that can truly make a difference when the unexpected strikes. We're about to unveil 10 key grocery products that are the unsung heroes of your pantry. First and foremost, let's talk about water, the elixir of life. It's more than just a thirst quencher. Water is a cornerstone of hygiene and cleanliness. It's so easy to take it for granted, but imagine life without water for washing dishes, flushing toilets, or even taking a simple shower. It would be nearly impossible. An average person needs about a gallon of water per day for drinking and sanitation. So if you're gearing up for a month, that adds up to roughly 30 gallons per person. And let's not forget, emergencies don't send invitations. A sudden water cutoff, contamination, or a natural disaster could leave you high and dry. Storing water isn't just about survival. It's about maintaining a decent quality of life in challenging circumstances. Next on our list, we have canned foods. When it comes to longevity and variety, canned goods are a treasure trove. They can last up to 2 years or more, making them an ideal choice for long-term storage. But it's not just about shelf life, it's about diversity. From fruits and vegetables to meats and soups, the array of canned foods available is vast. This means you can have an assortment of food types at your disposal, ensuring a diverse diet even when fresh produce isn't available. And here's the bonus. Canned foods maintain most of their nutritional value despite their long shelf life. So you're not just getting food that lasts, but food that nourishes as well. In essence, stocking up on a good variety of canned foods isn't just about surviving. It's about thriving. Now let's not overlook rice and pasta. These two pantry staples have an incredibly long shelf life, making them a dream product for anyone looking to stockpile food. But what truly sets them apart is their versatility. They can be the star of the show, a supporting side dish, or the foundation for a hearty soup or salad. The possibilities are as boundless as your culinary imagination. And don't forget their caloric value. Rice and pasta are rich in carbohydrates, providing a steady source of energy. This makes them an essential part of a balanced diet, especially in situations where physical stamina and endurance are required. So it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. With rice and pasta in your pantry, you can whip up an array of delicious and comforting meals to keep spirits high. Moving on to powdered milk, you might be wondering why it's on our list. Well, it's quite simple. Dairy is an essential component of our diet, providing crucial nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. This is especially important for households with children who require these nutrients for healthy growth and development. But fresh milk doesn't exactly have a long shelf life. That's where powdered milk comes in. When properly stored, powdered milk can last for years, making it an excellent choice for stockpiling. And when you're ready to use it, just mix it with water, and voila, you've got yourself a fresh glass of milk. But its uses don't stop there. Powdered milk can also be used in cooking and baking, making it a versatile addition to your pantry. So if you're looking to ensure a source of dairy in your food stockpile, consider powdered milk. Now let's talk about beans and seeds, two seemingly unassuming items that pack a nutritional punch. Beans are rich in fiber, high in protein, and loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a fantastic source of plant-based protein, perfect for those looking to diversify their protein intake. And then there are seeds. These tiny gems are brimming with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and a healthy dose of fiber. They're also incredibly versatile. You could sprinkle them on salads, toss them into smoothies, or even use them to make your own homemade bread. Both beans and seeds have a long shelf life, making them perfect for stockpiling. They can be stored for years without losing their nutritional value and can be used in a multitude of dishes. From hearty stews to nutritious salads, beans and seeds, your protein-packed companions in times of need. Canned protein sources. In times of uncertainty, maintaining your strength and health is paramount, and that's where canned protein sources come into play. These cans are like treasure chests of sustenance, containing a wealth of nutrients that your body craves. Think of canned tuna, salmon, chicken, or beans as your go-to powerhouses of protein. Not only do they provide you with the essential building blocks for muscle and overall health, but they're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for your heart and brain. The beauty of these canned protein sources lies in their versatility. You can create a wide range of dishes, from simple sandwiches to gourmet salads, hearty stews, or even savory casseroles. In a survival situation, where fresh protein may be hard to come by, these cans will be your best friends. Plus, their extended shelf life means you can stock up without worrying about spoilage. They offer a dependable and convenient way to ensure your dietary needs are met, helping you stay strong and energized when you need it most. 7th, cooking oil. Often taken for granted, cooking oil is a secret hero in your stockpile. It's not just about enhancing the flavor of your meals. It's about the practicality and versatility it brings to your kitchen, especially when resources are limited. Whether you opt for vegetable oil, olive oil, or coconut oil, each type has its unique qualities. Vegetable oil, for example, is known for its neutral flavor and high smoke point, making it suitable for a variety of cooking methods. Olive oil, on the other hand, adds a rich, Mediterranean flair to your dishes, and coconut oil can be your go-to for both cooking and baking, thanks to its distinctive flavor. But beyond culinary purposes, cooking oil has several other tricks up its sleeve. It can be used as a lubricant, helping machinery run smoothly when needed. In emergency situations, it can serve as a fire-starting aid, thanks to its flammable properties. And in a pinch, it can even be employed for personal care, moisturizing dry skin or removing stubborn adhesive residue. Ensuring your cooking oil is stored in a cool, dark place will maximize its shelf life, making it an invaluable asset in your stockpile that extends far beyond the realm of cooking. Lastly, let's not forget two small items with immense utility and longevity: honey and salt. These are not just culinary essentials, they have a host of other surprising uses. Honey. This sweet delight is not only a natural sweetener, but also a fantastic medical tool. It possesses antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties, making it excellent for wound healing and soothing sore throats. Now, on to salt. This mineral is a must-have in any prepper's pantry. Besides its role in cooking, salt is a great preservative. It can extend the shelf life of foods, keeping them safe to consume for longer. Additionally, salt can be used to melt ice, clean, and maintain hygiene. Both honey and salt have an indefinite shelf life, making them perfect for long-term storage. So remember to stock up on these essential items. Honey and salt, small items with big uses. To recap our journey through these 10 essential grocery items for stockpiling, each of these products plays a significant role in ensuring you're prepared for any eventuality. They're not just food items. They are lifelines in a survival situation. We began with water, the essence of life, then delved into the world of canned foods, explored the versatility of rice and pasta, considered powdered milk as a dairy source, learned the nutritional value of beans and seeds, and discovered the utility of honey and salt. Preparation is the key to staying safe and secure, so make sure you have a plan in place and stock up on these essential grocery items. And don't forget to let us know in the comments which of these items is your favorite to stock up on. Your insights can help others in their preparedness journey. And of course, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more useful tips and information. Remember, preparation is key. Stay safe and stay prepared. Until next time.